Saturday with Mom used to be about shopping or having coffee and catching up.
How about that cup of coffee now?
Sure, Mom. Since the call, Saturday at Mom's sure has changed.
Melissa, honey, I need your help.
I've got you all set up for the week now. These are all your medications like I explained, and I've got these post-it notes we can put on the fridge so you know what time in the morning, noon, afternoon, and evening that you take them.
Every day?
Yes, and then I'll be back next Saturday to refill this for you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have time for that?
Well, I'll make time, Mom. Now, with as-directed TLC, we can spend Saturdays like we used to. All right, Mom, you're all set. With your pillows secure in here, all you do is push this button when you hear the alarm. With TLC, Mom and I are always connected. I can send reminders or just say, I love you. TLC gives Mom her independence. And me, peace of mind. Come on, Mom, let's go shopping.
What about my pills?
Oh, I got them. I got them. Let's go.
Okay.
Now I spend more time with Mom and less time with her medications. I love spending my Saturdays with Mom, just like it used to be.